Oneplus users are recently facing an issue regarding the missing ringtone and message tone. Here is a screenshot of how it looks. So today I am going to show you a tutorial regarding how to fix this issue. First, go to the settings, then scroll down till you get to the system settings. In that, select reset options. And here select reset app preferences. Tap on recent apps and there you go guys. The issue is fixed. Now just restart your phone and check whether the missing ringtone and message tones are restored. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want such further tutorials, just subscribe to the channel.